Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I get a defined wash and go without the crunch that gel leaves. So if you want to see, keep on watching. I'm starting with soaking wet hair, and the moisturizer that I'm using is the Creme Brulee Whipped Curl Cream. And what I like to do is section my hair in half and take the product and apply it to one half of my head and put it up. And the reason why I do that is because it gives me time to work on the other half of my head without my hair completely drying out. So I'm just going to clip this section away before I get started on the other side. I'm going to take the creme brulee and I'm going to apply it on this half of my head, on the entire section. I'm going to kind of squeeze it into my hair and twisting my hair around before I go in and section it anymore, because I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized and it won't dry out by the time I get to those sections. So I'm going to split my hair in half and I'm going to clip up the top half, and I'm going to apply some more creme brulee on this section, and I'm going to twist it into my hair starting at the ends and working my way up to make sure that my ends are well coated with moisturizer. When I separate my hair, what I try to do is split it right where the curl naturally or normally wants to split, instead of forcing it to split, because that will also decrease the amount of frizz that you will get in your hair. So what I like to do is I like to go back through each section just to make sure that my hair is moisturized and I don't have any dry spots within my hair. And then after I do that, I'll go ahead and apply my DIY hair growth oil to each section. So when it comes to moisturizing my hair, I don't have a set amount of product that I put in my hair per section. It just depends on if my hair is dry or not. And that's basically what I go on when it comes to moisturizing my hair. So sometimes I can get away with a quarter size amount, and then other times or other sections in my hair, I just have to add a little more product to each section. So that's why I always go back and check just to make sure that I don't have any dry spots or patches within my hair. So I'm going to follow up with the Goddess Curls Botanical Jelly as my styler or gel of choice. So instead of doing three sections per side like I would when I apply my moisturizer, I like to just do two sides, because I find that it gives me the right amount of definition and hold without having my hair being super crunchy. I like this gel because it defines my curls and it keeps my hair frizz free, but it also gives my curls the hold that I need without having my curls being stiff and crunchy that I get when I use certain types of gels. Because the front section of my hair, as well as the back of my hair or nape of my neck, those curls are looser, so I find that I have to scrunch those curls as well as do finger coils around my finger just to get those curls to pop, because if I don't, those curls will turn out wavy and they really won't have a curl definition. Once I finish laying my edges, I like to take my hair and flip it all the way to the back, because I don't like a defined part when I wear my hair. I just let my hair naturally, when it dries, whichever way it wants to flip over. And it normally takes my hair about a day to dry because I really don't like diffusing. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one.